Battlefield data mining. Everyone wants Ukraine's battlefield data. Global companies are offering free products to get access to live combat data. However, the Ukrainian government wants to keep this resource for its own emerging defense industry. In one example, a company named Draganfly has shifted its focus from North American emergency services to military tasks in Ukraine, utilizing drones for search and rescue missions and landmine detection. The ongoing war in Ukraine presents an opportunity for military tech companies to collect valuable battlefield data for building and training future weapon systems. The data gathered by these companies could help in training AI systems for various defense purposes, including tank and landmine detection. International tech companies such as Draganfly, German AI company Helsing, and data analytics company Palanta are active in Ukraine, collecting valuable data from the conflict. The potential exploitation of Ukraine's data has raised concerns, leading to a shift in the Ukrainian government's approach to foreign tech companies. Ukraine is planning to leverage its battlefield data for its own defense sector, aiming to build a military tech industry independent of foreign aid. Initiatives like Brave One are supporting this ambition, facilitating the pitching of homegrown defense tech solutions to the military. Ukraine's tax breaks for drone makers are stimulating the growth of new industries, with over 300 companies now producing drones in the country. Companies like Aerodrone are adjusting their operations to support Ukraine's military efforts, collecting vast amounts of data that can be used in future industries and conflicts. The transition of Ukraine's defense tech sector towards self-sufficiency is seen as a crucial step for the country's security and future resilience.